having some fun. I don't know if I'd want to throw those snowballs. Those are more like sleet balls, big balls of ice out there, and that's really going to be the concern tonight. Now, at 6 o'clock, the winter storm warning was allowed to expire, but now the entire area is under a winter weather advisory. That's because of the road conditions and the ice that is on them. So the winter weather advisory is going to be in effect through probably mid-morning tomorrow. This is why we'll probably see some more problems in the morning. On top of that, we still got some snow flurries. Thought we'd see at the tail end of this some snow flurries, and sure enough, a band of pretty good little snow flurries. This is all snow again. This is not sleet or freezing rain. Some big flakes falling up on the southern end of Lake Norman, heading towards Cornelius, Davidson, especially over towards Concord and Charlotte Motor Speedway. Maybe a few flakes towards Uptown. But then back into the mountains, there's this little bands. We call these things deformation zones on the backside of these lows. This is going to swing through the mountains, so this may add another inch or two up in the North Carolina mountains towards Hickory. A few stray snowflakes, but getting a lot of reports out of Cherryville, Dallas, Gastonia, Kings Mountain of some big old flakes coming in with that little system. The good news is this system's moving out. The bad news, much colder air coming in on the backside. So as cold as it's been today, with temperatures in the 20s, we're going to see teens come in tonight. We'll probably plummet down into the mid-teens by tomorrow morning as the low exits and this big area of Arctic high pressure camps out over us. But now that we have anywhere from 1 to 2 to as much as 10 inches of snow and ice on the ground, the overnight lows and the afternoon highs are going to be really, really cold, because when you get that snow cover on the ground, it doesn't allow for the sun to warm the ground up, which then in turn heats the air up, and at night we radiate the heat very rapidly. So it'll be very cold here the next couple of nights. And we're already keeping our eyes on the next system. If you were watching earlier today, we've got 2 more chances this week, believe it or not, for some winter weather here in the Carolinas. Temperatures right now, 19 in Greensboro, 24 here in Charlotte. Closer look at our temperatures, 22 already in Statesville, 24 in Shelby. This gives you an idea of how the roads are out there. When you're in the low to mid-20s, you're freezing things up. So future casts, a few stray snow flurries moving out the mountains. You'll see snow lasting through tomorrow morning, but then tapering off tomorrow. Mostly sunny skies by late in the afternoon, but it'll be chilly. Temperatures will struggle to get above the freezing mark tomorrow afternoon. There's that moisture that's going to try to creep up by late Monday into Tuesday. Tonight, cold in the mountains with temperatures in the single digits and teens. Tomorrow, only in the 20s. Winterfest going on up in Blowing Rock. It will be cold up there. Mid-teens here in the Piedmont tomorrow afternoon. Right around freezing with partly sunny skies. Off to the east, cold with a few flurries tonight. Temperatures in the teens, but tomorrow, look at those high temperatures in the middle 30s. We're not quite done with the winter weather yet. We're really kind of just warming things up around